In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to find the hex code of an image within the Canva editor. So let's just say you have an image, just upload one of these images here. Take for example, if I should upload this particular image, and then I should draw it into my timeline. And I want to find the hex code of any of these. Now, immediately I come to background, it already gives me the hex code of all of these. So this is the hex code of this particular one. This is the hex code of this particular one you see Slack. And this is the hex code of this one you see here, Dropbox. But what if I want to become more specific? Maybe there are several sheets of this particular green and I don't know which one is which. Now take for example, if I wanted to add this green, this particular shade of green, I don't see it here. It's not showing here. If I wanted to add this particular one, I could decipher that this is it. And if I want to make it the background, I'll just click on background. And when I come to, I'm going to click on background and then it brings me this picture up. I can add that to my background. But let's say I want to find out the hex code of this particular one. What I need to do is to click on my color picker. And then I'm going to use this color picker tool. And when I bring it here and click on that, it gives me the hex code. So it gives me the specific hex code of this particular image. I could do the same for this particular one. And you see, it changes that to this background. And I could do the same for this particular one. And you see, I've chosen that image. Now you would notice that what this image gave me here is different from what my color picker gives me. And I will go with what this color picker gives me because it's more specific. So this is how you pick colors from the hex code of any image using the Canva editor. If you got any value out of this video, please give it a thumbs up, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, comment, and also turn on the notification bell. God bless you. Peace.